welcome to my channel. My name is Rachel Banks and I plan to bring you beauty to beauty. Okay guys, so I'm super excited. I had planned to get this video out a little sooner than later, but I got really busy with work, so I wasn't able to get the video out as soon as I wanted to. The actual meat of the video is already made. I just needed to do the intro, the editing, and the outro, whatever. But anyways, as promised, I wanted to show you how I was going to spruce up that wreath that I had got from Walmart for only $9.99. And the way that I said I was going to spruce it up was very inexpensive. And I stuck to my word. Very inexpensive stuff that I added to the wreath. So I think together, both the wreaths, so let's see, the wreath was $9.99 and I did get two, so that's $20. I got a couple of picks to go in there, so let's say 4, 10, let's say less than $40. Okay, less than $40. I have two lit wreaths that look very beautiful that I have displayed on both of the front doors outside of my home. So with that being said, let's jump right into this video. I can't wait to show you guys how I got this wreath from just a plain pre-lit wreath to something that has a little more pizzazz to it. Now, it's not extremely over the top, and the way that I have it set up is that you can easily change it out for next year if you wanted to. So stay tuned, let's get started. Okay guys, so here's the wreath that I got from Walmart for only $9.99. One of the first things that I want to do is I want to fluff out this wreath and make it look nice and full.
Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you.
Okay guys, so I got this pine cone ornament from Walmart. Very cutesy. And I think I only paid $1.98 for it. It's got berries on it. I thought it would be very cute on the wreath. And so how I'm going to attach it to the wreath is I'm going to take the hook that you would use for the Christmas tree, and I'm just going to stick one of the branches in there, and I'm going to fold it up so that it's kind of like, you know, adhered to the wreath, as you can see.
How it's supposed to be, making our Christmas memories. Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories.
Okay, so another item that I got for the wreath is this picks that I actually got from Family Dollar, and it was only $1, guys. I was so surprised when I picked this up for $1. It's very pretty, and I thought it would go really well in the wreath. And since it's a picks, all I'm going to do is I'm just going to stick it right through the wreath, and it should hold just fine.
The good times with you, baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close.
So that is symmetrical. I did get one for both sides of the wreath. And then you're going to see me place one that's kind of like a blue glitterish kind of color in the wreath as well.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging.
Okay, so this next picks that I got it from the Dollar Tree for only $1. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the individual branches off, and I'm just going to stick one of the branches at a time in the wreath.
We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Okay, so I picked up the super glue from the Family Dollar, and it was only $1. And I got it because I wanted to add just a little bit more glam to my wreath, and I wanted to add some additional bulbs to incorporate both the gold and the silver that I like, as well as I got some extra blue picks that I want to tear apart that I want to add to the wreath, so everything kind of matches and kind of goes together really well.
If I spend it with you, just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me, hanging by the fire chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah, I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Whoa, oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh. La da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people.
And here is the completed wreath. I absolutely love it.
Over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me, hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how?
Okay, guys, hopefully you all really enjoyed this video. I know I had a lot of fun with this DIY on this pre-lit wreath that I got from Walmart. So much fun. Leave in the comments any recommendations or suggestions you have for maybe next year to add to the wreath. If you have a wreath outside in front of your house, where did you get it from? What did you do to it or whatnot? Leave all that in the comment section. And then I want you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. Not only do I want you to subscribe to my channel, but I want you to like this video and share it. And then to all my existing subscribers, I really appreciate your support. Thank you so very much, and I will talk to you all soon.
Bye. Back home to me, and when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love.